Natural home remedies. Corns. Corns are hard, thickened areas of skin that typically occur on the feet. They're similar to a callus but are usually harder, smaller, and more painful. Corns aren't dangerous but they can cause irritation. They are also more likely to affect women than men. There are three main types of corns: hard, soft, seed. Hard corns are the most common type of corn. They're small, concentrated areas of hard skin, usually found within a wider area of thickened skin. Soft corns, on the other hand, are whitish or gray, and are rubbery in texture. They often appear between the toes. Seed corns are small and usually found on the bottom of the foot. As they thicken, corns can become quite painful. Corns aren't a skin disease. They're your body's response to pressure or friction on the skin. Natural remedies for corn removal. Figs. Figs contain protein-dissolving enzymes that help dissolve unwanted skin growths, including corns. Papaya and pineapple contain similar enzymes, and all three fruits have age-old reputations for reducing corns and warts. Open a fresh fig and tape the pulp on the corn overnight. Or cut square of pineapple peel and tape the inner side to the corn overnight. The following morning, remove the herb and soak the foot in hot water. After an hour or so, try to remove the corn. It should come off fairly easily, but you can rub it gently with a pumice stone if necessary. Pineapple. This popular exotic fruit is enriched with medicinal properties. It is one of the most powerful remedies for corns and calluses. You can use fresh pineapple peels for this purpose. Cut a small piece of the peel and keep it on your corn and secure it with a bandage. Keep it on overnight and remove the bandage in the morning. Apply some coconut oil over the affected area. Repeat it till you get relief. House leek. Semper vivum. To remove a corn, cut a leaf in half, bind the fleshy side to the corn for a few hours, then soak the foot in water. Try to gently scrape off the corn. Repeat as necessary. Onions. Powerful acids and nutrients in onions are good enough to neutralize the infection which caused the corn. It can soften the hard skin and will slowly flake off the dead skin cells. To get rid of corns and calluses, apply onion juice on the affected area and cover it with a cloth for 2 days. This will soften the callus and it will eventually fall off. Lemon. The acid in lemons can help get rid of corns. Before going to sleep, cut a slice of lemon peel about 1 inch long and the width of your toe. Place the pith over the corn, securing with a bandage and covering with a white cotton sock overnight. Continue each night until the corn disappears. A piece of bread and white vinegar. Soak the bread in the vinegar and place it on the affected area. Secure it with the gauze. You can also cover with a plastic wrap. Leave it on overnight. You will notice a substantial difference in the corn or callus by the morning. Repeat this for a night or 2 more to completely remove the corn. The vinegar in the bread softens corns, and they can be simply rubbed off in the morning. Garlic. Cut the clove of garlic in half. Rub 1/2 on the corn for about a minute. Place the other half of the garlic clove on the corn and cover it with the crepe bandage. The following morning, wash the area as you normally do. Do this every night. Within a few days, your corn will disappear. Garlic is used as a home remedy for a number of ailments, including corns. This is one of the most effective home remedies to remove corns that can be best used at night. A recent clinical trial showed that garlic causes effective removal of the corn tissue from the body. Preventing corns. Measure your foot and wear the right size shoes. To make sure that you do not suffer from corns, get your feet measured, length and width, and buy your shoes based on those measurements. Shopping for shoes at the end of the day when your feet are most swollen will help you pick an adequately sized shoe. Make sure there's about a ½ inch between your longest toe and the front of the shoe. This ensures your foot won't be constantly rubbing against the inside toe of your shoe. Wear the right socks. Wearing comfortable socks can sometimes be just as important as the shoes you're wearing. If you're prone to corns, try wearing socks with more padding. Limit how much you wear high heels. Wear the lowest heels possible. It is best to limit your time spent in high heels, as this is one of the main causes of corns for women. Wearing a lower high heel reduces the amount of stress on your foot compared to stilettos. Using a pumice stone regularly and keeping your feet clean and moistured can help the areas where skin is thickening before it becomes a corn or callus. Products containing lanolin are particularly effective at rehydrating dry, tough skin. Shoe inserts like cushioned insoles, toe spaces, or foam can keep corns from forming. It's best to consult with an experienced podiatrist to make sure you get the best type of insert for your feet. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.